Sunday night breaks, guys. 101 box breaks. Thanks for hanging in there. Like I was just saying, we're going to do some Valor tonight. We got box number 5 and number 6 back there. Dual round number 3 here. Bring you on over to the computer. I got all set up here. Got 2012 Topps Valor dual box break round 3, 6/22, 2014. Here's everybody in the break. Kenneth P., Timothy S., Jamie M., Stevie F., James S.P. buying up some spots, Jonathan S.T., Timothy S., and Jace L. closing it off. Stevie F. in there again. I'm doing one for each day, guys. What? Copy that up there. Let me open up my random.org and hit paste. Here's everybody's name in the same order that they were purchased. James S.P., I think he had like 12 spots there. If I didn't call your name out, guys, I'm sorry. I will call them out as the hits come. There's your first randomization there, guys. There's number 2. And there's number 3, guys. Go ahead and copy all these here. Open my Valor back up and paste them in. Make sure my printer's still on, which it is this time. Let me hit print there. All right, and here's your teams, guys. I really do appreciate it. Like I said, I will definitely be calling them out as they come. Good luck to everybody. A little blurry there, but I'll show you the list one more time and call them in. Yeah, I believe on the Sunday night I got you in with 3, Perry. P-Sipe is on the chat, guys. All right, here we go. Good luck to you. 2012 Topps Valor Dual Box Break, round number 3. Here's everybody's teams. Really do appreciate it, guys. A little Sunday night break on. Got some giveaways. Yeah, it's 2 boxes for us. 1 box for yesterday and 1 box for today. Hope you all caught your teams there. I will call them out as they come. We're going to start with box number 5. We're right in the middle of round number 3. There's 1 round left, guys. Spots are up, and they're going in it. I think these numbers are all the same, but I'm going to keep showing them. Got your unopened tin there. Empty top, and here's a little protector pad for you. Yeah, so we've already pulled a Nick Foles and a Nick Toon 1 of 1 out of this case, which has not been a bad case at all. First card, I believe that's Quentin Couples, and that's numbered 146 out of 170, and that'll be going to them Jets. Stevie F. There you go. Next card. Booyah! Another Jets card there. Little glory, Stephen Hill. You guys are going to like the next one. That's 5 out of 50 going to Stevie F. And you asked for some nasty, and some nasty is a-coming. Give me just a second here, guys, because this one needs a case. Woo! This is a nasty case of Valor, you guys. Nasty case of Valor. Who is it? Oh, you're on fire. Stevie F. Ryan Tannehill, Discipline Auto, 22 out of 25. Pulling the Tanny. Boom! Very nice. Stevie F and them Dolphins doing work in box number 1. And this is random, guys. That's awesome. Look at that hit. Sweet, man. Sorry I'm taking my time. I didn't want to just blow through the cards tonight, but that's a really nice Tannehill there. I like it. Very nice, Stevie F. Congratulations, man. And then big old Be Quick on-card auto there. That's 63 out of 146. That's going to the Rams. James SP. There you go, bud. That's 63 out of 146. Yeah, so far this case has had a Nick Foles, a Ryan Tannehill to 25, and a 1/1 patch auto. And then this isn't that bad either. For a little underdog, I'd take it. Centurion autograph strength parallel Matt Ryan, and that'll be going to the Falcons. James SP. Yeah, guys, this Valor is super awesome, and I like these duels. I'm thinking we should get some more. That's just me, but if it's there, I think we should get some more. Very nice Matt Ryan there in the last card of the first box, guys. Just cleaning up with a Lamar Miller. Little field armor patch there, trying to get you a close-up on that action. It's 124 out of 150. That's going to the Dolphins again, Stevie F. There you go, bud. Almost a clean sweep there. Very nice. That Matt Ryan sweep, too. You got to love the veteran quarterback autos, guys. Let me get rid of this 10 here. And we'll get on to the next box. Here's number 6. Yeah, Valor was one of my favorite 2012 products. That's why when I saw it, I jumped on it. Yeah, it is the same number again. Yeah, see that Matt Ryan's already drawing attention. Very nice. Open top. Booyakasha. All right, here we go. First card. Jim Kelly. You gotta love the vet cards, right? That's 29 out of 170, and that's going to the Bills. Jonathan S. You guys, these cards are so sweet. Oh, this is pretty cool. Little Mohamed Sanu, and he's throwing a pass. Not bad for a receiver card, throwing a pass. 39 out of 170. That'll be going to the Bengals. Kenneth P. getting on the board. Very cool. And then, no way, Stephen Hill. And that's numbered 19 out of 146, and that's going back to them Jets. Stevie F. And then, little Courage on card, A.J. Jenkins auto, and that's numbered. No. Sorry, guys. That's numbered 42. Nope, it's numbered 2 out of 70. I can't get that focus going. There it is. 2 out of 70. And that's going to the Niners. Jamie M. There you go, Jamie. Nice little A.J. Jenkins Courage auto. And then, my dude. Boom. Sean Lee. Little vet auto. And that's going to the Cowboys. Who's got him? Timothy S. That's 214 out of 250. Nice little vet cowboy auto right there. Very nice looking card. There you go, Timothy S. Nice little hit there. Gotta love the veteran love. And then why not? This is actually a pretty cool way to end it right here. Little Trent Richardson speed patch. Nice little nasty patch there. 53 out of 70, and that's going to the Browns. James SP coming in and stealing that last hit there out of Valor. Boom! There you go, bud. Trent is a beast. Oh, I don't know. This Valor. Let's see here. I don't know if it even says an expiration on it. 2/28/2016. Here, actually, I'll show it to you. There you go. Yes, I believe Sean Lee was a 2010 rookie, I believe. Yeah, so hey, guys, that Valor, not bad, huh? We got a 101 and a Nick Foles, and then this bad boy right here. Nice little Tanny. Boom! All right, guys, let me save this video, and I'll be right back with you. Give me just a second here.